New free OpenClaw. Update is insane. You're wasting hours on tasks AI could handle for you. You're typing into ChatGPT when you could be running an actual AI assistant. You're missing out on the biggest update to hit OpenClaw, and you don't even know what's possible yet. This changes everything about how you use AI. Hey everyone, I'm Hada, and today I'm breaking down the latest OpenClaw update that just dropped. This isn't another chatbot. This is an AI agent that actually does things on your computer, and the new update makes it completely free to run with top-tier AI models. OpenClaw is an open-source AI agent created by Peter Steinberger. It runs on your computer or cloud server, connects to WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, and Slack. Instead of copying and pasting between ChatGPT, you're running an AI that reads files, writes code, executes commands, and automates tasks automatically. The big update is free integration with Kimi K2.5. This model from Moonshot AI ranks alongside Claude Opus 4.5 and Gemini 3 Pro in performance. Completely free through OpenClaw right now. First time an open source model has reached this level and been made this accessible. Before this, running a powerful AI agent meant paying for API calls. Claude Opus could cost $50 to $100 per month with regular use. Kimi K2.5 changes that. Top-tier AI performance with zero API costs. At least for now. OpenClaw has 68,000 GitHub stars. Massive adoption in just weeks. And it's exploding because it actually works. When I first started using OpenClaw, I was overwhelmed. That's when I found this community called AI Profit Boardroom, with over 2,000 members all focused on learning AI together and sharing what actually works. It taught me which workflows save time versus which ones waste it. The community shares real use cases and practical implementations. If you're serious about using AI to improve your work and skills, check it out. Link in description. What OpenClaw does that chatbots cannot: executes shell commands on your computer, reads and writes files, browses the web, manages calendar and email, connects to over 50 services, has persistent memory across conversations. It runs as a gateway that connects AI models to your tools. You message it through WhatsApp or Telegram. It completes the task using over 100 pre-configured skills: file management, running code, web automation, WordPress, GitHub. You install what you need or build custom skills. Here's a practical example. Let's say you want to build a simple website. Normally, you'd open your code editor. You'd write HTML, you'd write CSS, you'd test it, you'd deploy it. With OpenClaw, you just send a message describing what you want. The AI writes the code, creates the files, tests the functionality, and can even deploy it for you, all from a conversation in Telegram. Another example: you're managing a WordPress blog. You want to create a new post, optimize it for SEO, add images, schedule it for publication. Instead of logging into WordPress and doing all this manually, you tell OpenClaw what you need. It handles the entire process, creates the post, optimizes the content, uploads images, sets the schedule. Done. The coding capabilities are particularly impressive. OpenClaw can work on your codebase while you're doing something else. You can tell it to refactor a component, fix bugs, add new features, run tests. It has access to your actual files, so it's not just giving you code suggestions, it's making the changes directly in your project. This is where things get really interesting. The browser automation features let OpenClaw interact with websites like a human would. It can fill out forms, navigate through pages, extract data, click buttons. This means you can automate repetitive web tasks completely. Scraping data, testing websites, managing multiple accounts, all handled by the AI. The voice features are a game changer. OpenClaw integrates with 11 Labs for text-to-speech and voice cloning. Send a voice message in WhatsApp. It transcribes with Whisper, processes the request, sends back natural-sounding audio. You can clone your own voice. The entire interaction is conversational and works great on mobile. Installation runs on Node.js, works on macOS, Windows, or Linux. Run it on a dedicated machine or cloud server, not your main computer. Many people use a Mac Mini, Raspberry Pi, or deploy on DigitalOcean, which has a one-click deploy with security hardening. The onboarding wizard walks through setup, model provider, messaging apps, skills, security settings. Security matters here. OpenClaw can execute commands and read files. The recommended approach uses pairing to restrict who can talk to your instance. Only your paired accounts can send commands. You can also run it sandboxed with limited directory access or in a Docker container for isolation. Running on a dedicated machine separate from personal files is smart. Let me break down some real workflows people are using. Developers are using OpenClaw for automated debugging. They connect it to their GitHub repos. Set up monitoring. When a build fails, OpenClaw gets the logs, analyzes the error, suggests fixes, and can even create a pull request with the solution. Content creators are using it for research and drafting. They tell OpenClaw to research a topic. It browses multiple sources, compiles information, creates an outline, writes a first draft, all while they're working on other things. Project managers are using it to coordinate tasks across tools. OpenClaw connects to Notion, Trello, and email. It can create tasks based on conversations, update project status, send reminders, coordinate team communication. The multi-agent routing is an advanced feature worth understanding. You can set up multiple OpenClaw agents, each with different capabilities and permissions. A reader agent that only processes information, a writer agent that creates content, a command agent that executes actions. You route messages between them based on what you're trying to accomplish. This pattern improves security and performance. Your reader agent can process untrusted content safely. If it encounters something suspicious, it just stops. It never has the ability to execute commands. Your command agent only acts on verified instructions from you or from trusted agents. The persistent memory system is what makes OpenClaw feel like a real assistant. It stores conversation history locally. It remembers your preferences, your projects, your patterns. When you mention something from 3 weeks ago, it knows what you're talking about. This context awareness is what separates it from simple chatbots. Storage is handled as local markdown files. This means you can read and edit your AI's memory directly if needed. You can see what it knows about you. Correct mistakes. Add context manually. Everything is transparent and under your control. The Cron job integration lets you schedule automated tasks. You can tell OpenClaw to check your email every morning, summarize important messages, send you a briefing in Telegram, or to monitor a website for changes, or to run backups at specific times. It becomes infrastructure you can rely on. Voice wake features on macOS and iOS let you trigger OpenClaw with your voice, similar to Hey Siri. But instead of a limited voice assistant, you're talking to an AI that can actually complete complex tasks. The Canvas feature provides a visual workspace. OpenClaw can create interactive interfaces, show you data visualizations, build forms, display results. This goes beyond text-based interaction and gives you actual UI when it's useful. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working? What's not? Which tools are worth your time? Which ones to skip? No hype. Just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. If you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 46,000 members who are crushing it with AI. Ready to implement these tools? Check resources in description. Thanks for watching.